Good morning children. Welcome to English class. In our last session we have discussed EVS 4th lesson, and from today onwards let us discuss English. Today we will discuss 3rd lesson from English. The lesson name is Why Did Seema Fall? What is the lesson name children? Why did Seema fall? So it's a question, that question mark is there. Why did Seema fall? Now we'll see. Why did Seema fell down? So I'll read the text children. Listen carefully. Look at the screen. This is Seema's room. It is a small room. It has a bed, a chair and a table. The curtains are blue. The bed cover is also blue. So look at the screen children. This is Seema's room. The room is very small. In this room what is there? It has a bed as well as a table. Bookshelf is there, a chair, and all the toys are fell down. So it has a bed, a chair, a table. The curtain, see the curtains, the color of the curtain is blue, and even the bed cover is also blue. See the bed cover children, and also the pillow cover, bed cover as well as the pillow cover are blue, and also the curtains are blue. And totally this room is very small room. In this a bed is there, a table, a chair, bookshelf, and all the books and the toys are fell here and there in the room. Okay. Now Seema's room is untidy. Her school bag is on the floor. Her books are lying on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? It is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. She has building blocks. Now look at the room clearly children, how the room is. The room is untidy, that is it is not neat. All the items were thrown here and there in the room. So here if we observe carefully the picture, her bag is on the floor. Where is the school bag of Seema children? It is on the floor. Her books are lying on the bed. See the books here. She has thrown all the books on the bed. So bag is on the floor and books are on the bed. So the books are lying on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. You can see one shoe is sitting on the chair. And where is the other shoe children? Look at the picture carefully. It is under the bed. Here it is. So one shoe is on the chair. So you can see on the chair one shoe is there, as well as under the bed one shoe is there. So she has thrown the bag on the floor, books on the bed and shoes on the chair as well as under the bed. And Seema has many toys. Many toys Seema has. You can see she has a toy train. What are the different types of toys Seema has? Seema has a toy train. You can see on the table the toy train is there, as well as she has a teddy. Where is the teddy bear? It is sitting in the shelf. See, in the bookshelf the teddy is there. And Seema has 4 toy cars. So how many toy cars Seema has? 4. You can see on the bed, red color car, blue car, and one is orange car, the other one is green car. So total how many toys are there? How many cars are there? Car toys. She has 4 car toys which she has thrown on the bed. And she has thrown books on the bed, and she has thrown the school bag on the floor, and she has thrown the shoes on the chair as well as under the bed. and remaining something is also there on the floor. What are these? These are the building blocks. Okay. So she has building blocks. Building blocks are there. That also she has thrown here on the floor. So everything she's thrown here, there, and total the room was untidy. Now, Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. So Seema likes to play with her toys. Even all the children will like to play with the toys. In the same way, Seema also she likes to play with her toys. But the thing is, she will play and she will throw there in the room itself only. She won't put again the toys back in the same place. She will play and she will throw there only. So, but she does not put them back. Now you can see in the picture, the blocks are on the floor as well as the train is on the table and the teddy is in the bookshelf. Okay. Actually, she should arrange all the books in the bookshelf and she should place the toys in the toys rack and also shoe in the shoe racks, and she has to put the chair near the table, and on the table she should arrange the school bag as well as the few books whatever she has to complete the homework. But what she did, she has thrown the cards and books on the bed, bag on the floor and building blocks on the floor, and she kept the toy train on the table, and where the books has to keep, in that place she kept the teddy. She will play and just she will throw all the items there only wherever she played. Now what happened, we'll see. Seema runs into the room. She strips on her bag and falls. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. What should Seema do so that she does not fall again? So you can see in the picture, Seema, she runs into the room. Here in the picture you can see that Seema, she will runs into the room. So as she ran into the room, what happened? The bag is there on the floor, no? So the strip of the bag where you will hold it to your shoulder, where you will tie it to your shoulder, that she has stripped and fall. Her leg was stripped into the bag and she fell on the floor. As she fell on the floor, what happened? Her elbow got hurt. You can see in this picture, see the blood is coming out. On the elbow, she got a hurt and blood is coming out. When she fell down and the blood is coming out, she started crying. As she got hurt, she started crying. Actually, what should Seema do so that she does not fall again? What Seema has to do so that she may not fall again, children? She has to arrange all the things in their place so that she won't fall. As she kept the bag on the floor, what happened? She fell down. As all the toys are there on the floor, she fell on the toys and she got hurt, and now blood is coming and she is feeling pain, so that she is crying. Okay. So children, you also, after playing, you put your toys back in their place, and after completion of the homework, put your books and everything back in their place so that your room will look neat and tidy. Okay, children? Okay, let us read the lesson once again. You also read along with me. Lesson 3. Why did Seema fall? So read, children. Put your finger on the screen and read it. If you have textbook, open your textbook, put your finger at the text and read the lesson. Okay, children? Come on, read along with me. This is Seema's room. It is a small room. It has a bed, a chair and a table. The curtains are blue. The bed cover is also blue. Next. Seema's room is untidy. That is, it is not clear, neat. Her school bag is on the floor. Her books are lying on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? It is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. She has building blocks. Okay, now next. Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the teddy? It's a question mark. It's a question, children. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Okay. Now, Seema runs into the room. She strips on her bag and falls. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. What should Seema do so that she does not fall again? Okay, this is the lesson. With this, we have completed lesson 3. Why did Seema fall? Okay, coming to today's homework, children. Today, read the lesson. Why did Seema fall? With the help of your mama or papa, try to read the lesson. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.